21 euros, taking a boat trip from Helsinki to Tallinn, Estonia. Who would have thought you could go to another country in 2 hours that quickly for that cheap? All right, so we made it to the pizza stop. It looks like a local pizza joint. Look at the pesto sauce. Look at the pesto sauce. It looks so amazing. I'm super excited, so I'm just gonna dive like tongue first into this pizza and just gobble it all up. Just look at this pizza and the cheese. Look, it's literally falling out. That's when you know it's so good. Oh my God. Finally made it to Old Town, Tallinn, and just look behind me. It's so beautiful. Architecture, the old revival style of the Russian Empire. Whenever Estonia was a part of the Russian Empire, this was built in the early 1900s. This is St. Alexander Nevsky's Cathedral. All right, so we made it to St. Olaf's Church right here, which dates back to the 1200s. The 1200s, whenever Estonia was ruled by Denmark, and the church is actually dedicated to King Olaf II of Norway. I feel like you guys always see me climbing up a tower. Either it's Prague in the Czech Republic, it's Pisa in Italia, or it's just the stairs to my friend's home. But today, it's a tower in Estonia. All right, so almost done, but literally I've never seen it to where there's literally a little seat to sit down at. That's lit. If you get tired, they have seats for you in the tower. Okay, so made it up to the tower, and I'm telling y'all, this tower is the sketchiest tower I have ever been on. Look at all the room you have. Sketchiest tower. All right, so we made it back to the terminal. We're getting ready to go get our tickets for the boat. This time though, we have a cabin, so our own little room, and it actually has a shower apparently. But with that being said, Tallinn, very amazing, like 2-4 hours, but we're about to get on the boat. Finally made it on the last boat, and it feels so good to have a room to ourselves. Like there's 1, 2, 3 beds, and there's a couch. Let me stop talking, let me show you guys. There's literally one bed right here, another bed, another bed. And it comes down. I'm telling you right now, the beds though, they are hard as a rock. Like, listen to this. Plus, you get a full bathroom. Toilet, don't throw anything inside the toilet. You got a shower, the shower work. Okay, it works. Sink. Okay, soap, cups for water. So the first boat that we actually took, Viking line, we took the cheapest option, 21 euros. This option though, it was 22 euros plus 38 euros for the actual room. So for 2 people, 87 euros, not bad at all for a 2-hour and 15-minute journey. And we decided, you know, after walking around Estonia, why would we not want to have a comfortable room to chill? And then plus we have literally the biggest porthole ever. Like this view is just like amazing. Like let me just show you guys. Look at how big this porthole is. Like it is ginormous. So just finished the boat trip. Honestly, going to Estonia was definitely the perfect day trip from Helsinki, Finland. What do I recommend? If you're gonna go there for a day trip, take one of the cheap boats first for 21 euros. Viking line's not a bad line. And then take the second line that we took, I'll put it in the description, and get a cabin, because I do think it's worth it to sit there with your family, get snacks and everything, and just relax on your way home, back to Helsinki or wherever you're going to.